Hi there, my name's Dave from Northwood Gould, incorporating houses, etc. I've got a real treat for you today. I'm in Asselby to look around this really individual, self-build, 5-bedroom detached property. Let's go and have a look. So you can see, first of all, it's down a private lane. Well, I say it's down a private lane, it's actually adopted, but it's a lane that only goes to these few houses. Side gate leads us. So it's a front gate, leads to the front entrance door, which is there. We're going to look around the outside first, because there is quite a bit of it. So to this side, we've got a further double gates to allow access to, I mean, you guys can put a trailer in, but we've got access to off-street parking there. There's a timber storage shed, and then a further gate to the side, which, as you can see, leads to another storage shed. Place for bins out of the way. Nice little useful area. So that's the front and the right hand side. So now we've got the left hand side, which you can go from the front through this wrought iron gate. And we start with a really nice lawn garden, well maintained. We've got some stepping stones, walkway, and we've got this brick built wall here, which, as you can see, if you look closely, it's got some glazed brick and some coloured bottles inside it. It's really nice. We've got a seating area at this side. Back towards the house from here. Then we've got a timber gate parking. So you can see we've got a sliding gate, good quality sliding gate, which I'm reliably informed is fairly new, and it's pre-ready if you want to electrify it, but it's a secure gate. Leads onto a pebbled parking bay. So parking for four vehicles, I would have thought, off street. Nice view of the house from here. Leads to a detached garage up and over door. Got power and light. Got a workshop on the side, again power and light. We've got a seated patio area there. There are loads of PowerPoints all the way around, and we've also got, coming with this property, a timber summerhouse, which you can see there. To this side, got a further pebbled area, so as you can chase it around in this property, get sat in it all day if that's your want. We'll now have a look inside. Look out over the garden. This property is like a maze. I think you're going to be impressed. As we go in, we've got a nice hallway. The ground floor, apart from the orangery, has got underfloor heating. This is a bespoke cloak hanging and a vanity mirror and a little vanity table. Then we've got the tiled hallway. There's a storage cupboard there that goes right to the back of the property. We'll start with the ground floor cloaks, which again we've got an homemade or handmade vanity unit, vintage unit, with a circular bowl and a dual ownable plus WC. Window to the rear. I won't spend too much time on the next one. It's a study, but it's a work from home study, so you can see we've got a study there. Stairs rising to first floor, then there's a further staircase goes to the second floor. There's a storage cupboard under the stairs. So we'll go this way and we'll start first of all in the kitchen. High gloss units with some mirrored and coloured doors. I think there's 2 or 3, there's 3 altogether. Again, tile flooring with underfloor heating. 1.5 bowl enamel sink with views out over the rear. We've got kickboard LED lighting, if you can pick that up, and a stove with electric oven, 5-ring gas hob that's stained. Door off into utility. White eyeglass units. It's got a cupboard with the combi boiler on, I think dates back to only 2020. Space and plumbing for automatic washing machine. And again a door opening into the garden. I should have mentioned in the kitchen really, there's a integrated dishwasher and a integrated fridge freezer. Just trying to get a view of that. You can see the LED lights this time. From there we've got the dining area. So it's either lounge dining or kitchen dining, it's all open plan. And the lounge to the side. From there we go into the orangery, which has got a proper exposed brick wall with a timber beam above, a couple of Velux roof lights, window there as you can see, and then bifold doors opening out into the garden, which is lovely for summer, and also it's got a retractable canopy on the outside. We'll now go and have a look upstairs. So staircase with a window and those stunning views to the rear, which we'll see again a little bit from the bedroom. Leads to a landing, which has the doors off, and a further staircase to the 2nd floor. So first bedroom, it's got useful built-in wardrobes and there's really useful storage shelving above. Quite an array of wardrobes. It's got a window overlooking the garden, and then this stunning balcony and the views off here. Fantastic. So it's wrought iron and glazed. As you can see, the views really nice. This bedroom also benefits from an ensuite shower room. So nice, modern, and benefits from a decent double shower. So from there we'll go to the next bedroom. It's a really decent size. All the bedrooms have got built-in wardrobes. You can see here there's quite a few. So the wardrobes go almost a full length of the wall, or 2/3 length of the wall, and then those views out over the rear. Next bedroom, again a double, again built-in wardrobes, and the guest room. Then we've got a first floor bathroom, which is fully tiled. Really good quality P-shaped shower bath, shower over. There we go. We'll now go to the 2nd floor, which has got 2 further double bedrooms. Again, both with built-in wardrobes. Views out over the rear now. They've got cupboards or access doors into the eaves storage space. Velux roof window to the other side. Nice double bedroom and a tiled ensuite with a shower cubicle. And the final bedroom is again another double bedroom, and again benefiting from a good range of built-in wardrobes. You see it's a double bed, plenty of room. You've got again access to the eaves storage space, a door to the ensuite shower room, again fully tiled walls and floor, and a shower cubicle, and again a window benefiting from those really nice views. So that's it. I'm sure you'll agree there's quite a lot of accommodation. 5 double bedrooms, all with fitted wardrobes, nice garden, summer house, garage, off-street parking, open plan kitchen, lounge, diner, orangery. Really nice. If you'd like to view, give us a call on 01405 780 666, or you can email us on ghoul@northwooduk.com. Thank you.